Hello episodes, this is about Suzuki Max 100 or Revamp, and these are all the chapters which I've categorized for you, and this is exclusively about Suzuki Max 100 or chapter 11 unboxing, and in that we are in part 10 unboxing the concept assembly. Talking about the brand, this is from Zodix Auto Private Limited, Ludhiana from Punjab, and talking about the price, this is rupees 228 and I bought in Chennai in the year 2022. And talking about the package, this is really super awesome, and I haven't seen a package like this in my lifetime. And this is like the lower part comes with a plastic thing, and the upper part comes with a tin material, how it looks like in soft drinks. And inside it has steel balls, that is they are made of CNC machined with a special steel. It is mentioned in the side of the box, and also with high carbon steel balls. And these are the balls which acts as a bearing. Basically we are packing it in between the bearing, and this is the bearing. And if you see inside, two upper part and two lower part, which makes an assembly. It will be installed in the cone set with grease packing, and both looks same size. While installing only we have to see whether it fits or not. And it comes with a dust cover. And see you in another video. Check out my playlist for more videos.